Hello children, welcome to my class today. Today we are going to learn about laws of exponents. In my previous video, I introduced this chapter exponents and powers. Please watch that video. The link is given in the description box. Okay, let us learn the first law. What is the first law? A power m into a power n is equal to a power m plus n. What does it mean? The base is same. When the base is same, in multiplication, we are going to take the same base and add the powers. Multiplying powers with the same base. The base is a. Here also the base is a. That means take the same base a. And what will you do with the powers in multiplication? You have to add the powers. So, the answer is a power m plus n. Let us solve some sums on the basis of this law. 3 power 4 into 3 power 2. See, you can read it as 3 raised to the power 4, or you can say 3 to the power 4, or simply you can say 3 power 4. Okay, 3 power 4 into 3 power 2. The base is same, so take the same base. This is multiplication. So in multiplication, what will you do with the powers? You have to add the powers. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Therefore, the answer is 3 power 6. The next one. Here, the base is not a number. It's a letter, variable. So the base can be either a number, rational number, or a variable. Q power 3 into Q power 5 into Q. Here, no power is returned. That means the power is 1. When the power is 1, it is not written, it is understood. So, now the base is same. So, let us take the same base. And what will you do with the powers? You have to add the powers. 3 plus 5 plus 1. That is equal to Q power 9. The next one. 8 upon 3 power 4 into 8 upon 3 power 7 into 8 upon 3 power 20. Here the base is a rational number. So, I have already explained it. Whenever the base is a negative integer or a rational number, you must put it in brackets. So, 8 upon 3, put it in bracket. What will you do with the powers? Add all the powers. 4 plus 7 plus 20. So, what is 4 plus 7? 11. 11 plus 20 is 31. So, the answer is 8 upon 3, the whole power 31. Okay children, let us learn some more sums. See here, 5 power x dot is written. And then 5 cube. So do you see any difference here? Yes. The multiplication sign is missing. In the place of multiplication sign they have put dot. And then here the power is given in variable, not a number. Okay, even if a dot is given, that means there is multiplication sign. So how will you understand this sum? 5 power x into 5 cube. This is the meaning. Okay, now the base is same, so take the same base, and what will you do with the powers? You have to add the powers, so it is x plus 3. You need to leave it like this. So 5 power x plus 3 is the answer. The next one, 3 power 5a dot 3 power 4a. So the meaning is 3 power 5a into 3 power 4a. What is the base? Yes, the base is 3. And what will you do with the powers in multiplication? We have to add the powers. 5a plus 4a. So can you simplify this one children? When the variable is same, add the numbers. 5 plus 4 is 9 and put the same variable. So the answer is 3 power 9a. Now Let us learn the next law. Law 2. A power m divided by a power n is equal to a power m minus n. Dividing powers with the same base. So here the base is a and the powers are m and n. So when the base is same, take the same base, and in division what will you do with the powers? You have to subtract the powers. So m minus n. The answer is a raised to m minus n. Let us solve a sum. 6 power 7 divided by 6 cube. 6 power 7 divided by 6 cube. Here we have taken m as 7 and n as 3. So if you compare these two numbers, m is greater than n. When m is greater than n, what is going to be the answer? Take base 6 and subtract. So it is 6 raised to the power 4. 6 raised to the power 4. Next one. A division can be written this way also. 5 power 4 divided by 5 power 7. Here if you take this one as m and this one as n, m is smaller than n. So in that case what are we going to do? Take the same base. Base is 5 and subtract the numbers 4 minus 7. Children, when I taught integers chapter, I explained you how to subtract two positive integers when the first number is smaller than the second number. So 5, and when the first number is smaller, the answer will be negative. After putting minus sign, subtract smaller number from the bigger number. So it is 3. So whenever the power is a negative number, you have to change it into a positive integer. So how will you change the power into a positive integer? Take the base and write its reciprocal. What is the reciprocal of 5? The reciprocal of 5 is 1 upon 5. And then you change the power into positive. So the answer is 1 upon 5 cube. 1 upon 5 cube. The next one. 9 power 5 divided by 9 power 5. Here m and n are equal. So when m and n are equal, what are you going to do? Let us see. What is the rule? When the base is same, take the same base. And in division, you have to subtract the powers. So 5 minus 5. It is 9 power 0. So whenever the power is 0, its value will be 1. Its value will be 1. Next we will learn two more sums. See, 4 upon 5 power 23 divided by 4 upon 5 power 37. Here the first power is smaller than the second power. M is smaller than n. So what will you do? The base is 4 upon 5, a rational number. Put it in brackets. And 23 minus 37. In division, you have to subtract the powers. So 4 upon 5, the power will be minus. So put minus. When you subtract a bigger integer from a smaller integer, put a minus. And then find out the difference between these two. The difference is 14. And the power is minus 14. But you have to change the power into a positive integer. How will you find out? Find out the reciprocal of the base. Reciprocal of 4 upon 5 is equal to 5 upon 4. And then put the whole power 14. So 4 upon 5 power 23 divided by 4 upon 5 power 37 is equal to 5 upon 4 the whole power 14. Next, minus 2 power 4 divided by minus 2. So it's a negative integer, put it in brackets, and then in division you have to subtract the powers. 4 and which power is here? Nothing is written. That means the power is 1. So minus 2, 4 minus 1 is 3. So it is minus 2 cube. Next we will learn log 3. What is log 3? The base is different but the power is same. AB whole power m is equal to a power m into b power m. When the base is different but the power is same, what will you do? Give the same power to the bases. So a power m into b power m. So let us solve some sums on the basis of log 3. 5 into 4 the whole power 3. So the base is different now. What will you do with the power? Give this power to 5 as well as 4. So 5 power 3 into 4 power 3. This is the answer. Next one, 9x power 4. So let us put it in bracket, 9x whole power 4. So what does it mean? The power should be given to the number as well as the variable. So this means 9 power 4 into x power 4. The next one, 3 into 2 whole power 3. So 3 power 3 into 2 power 3. So children, if we are asked to find out the value of this one, if you are asked to simplify this one, what will you do? Take 3 times. So 3 into 3 and then 2 into 2 into 2. So 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. Here 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. If you multiply this, 7 8s are 56, 5, 2 8s are 16 plus 5, 21. So this is one method. Another method, simply you can find out the product of this one. What is 3 into 2? It is 6. Directly find out 6 cube. 6 cube will be 216. So you will get this answer, 216. Now we will learn how to simplify the sums given. 3 power 7 into 1 upon 3 the whole power 7. So it is written in the form of a power m into b power m. A power m into b power m. Now the power is same but the base is different. So how will you write this one? A power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m. So in this way we will write ab. What is a? A is 3 and b is 1 upon 3 whole power m. M is equal to 7. The power is 7. So let us solve this one inside the brackets. So 3 will be cancelled for 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. Then if you multiply 1 into 1 is 1. 1 upon 1 is equal to 1. 1 power 7. So when 1 is, this is a positive integer. 1 is taken 7 times repeatedly. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1. Even then the product will be 1. Whether 1 is taken 7 times or 20 times or 50 times, the product will be 1. The next one is 24 upon 11 the whole power 3 into 11 upon 8 the whole power 3. It is written in this form, a power m into b power m. So what will be the answer? It will be AB the whole power m. So what is A? It is 24 upon 11 and B is equal to 11 upon 8. Its whole power is 3. Now let us solve the brackets. Inside the brackets we can cancel the numbers. 11, 1 is 11, 11, 1 is 11. And 24 and 8, both the numbers are divisible by 8. So 1 time, here 3 times. Then 3 into 1 is 3, upon 1 into 1 is 1. 3 upon 1 is equal to 3 and the power is 3. Now find out the value of this one. 3 power 3 means it is 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. So 27 is the answer. So when the base is different and the power is same, this is what you have to solve the sums. A power m into b power m is equal to ab the whole power m. Next, we will learn law 4. There will be power of power. See, a power m, the whole power n. This is the power of power. When there are double powers, what will you do? Take the same base and multiply the powers. What are the powers? M and n. When you multiply m and n, the product will be mn. So, the answer is a power mn. Here a is a rational number and m and n are positive integers. Always remember this. A is a rational number and m and n are positive integers. So, when there is power of power, take the same base and multiply the powers. Let us solve some sums. 4 power 5, the whole power 2. There are double powers. So what will you do with this? First take the base. Base is 4 and multiply the powers. Whenever there are double powers, you have to multiply the powers. So 5 2s are 10. The answer is 4 power 10. 4 raised to the power 10 or 4 to the power 10 or you can say 4 power 10. Next, minus 5 upon 7. It's a rational number. Put it in brackets. Power 4 and the whole power 3. There are double powers. So take the base. Which is the base? Minus 5 upon 7 is the base. And what will you do with the powers when there are double powers? You have to multiply the powers. Multiply 4 and 3. So minus 5 upon 7. What is 4 into 3? It is 12. Minus 5 upon 7. The whole power 12. Next one. 6 power 3 and the whole power 5 into 6 power 9 the whole power 2. So let us find out the answer for these two separately and then carry out multiplication. Okay, here there are double powers. So 6, 3 into 5. So what is the answer? Next one. This base is 6 and the powers you have to multiply 9 into 2. This is 6 power 15 into 6 power 18. Now, we are going to apply law 1 here. The base is same and the powers are different. When the base is same, take the same base and add the powers. 15 plus 18. It is 16 power 33. So, first to find out the answer for this one. It is 6 power 15 and the answer for the next one is 6 power 18. And how will you carry out this one? Take the same base and add the powers. 15 plus 18 is equal to 33. So 16 power 33 is the answer. Okay children, now let us learn the next law. Law number 5. Here a upon b the whole power m. The base is different but the power is same. In such a case, how will you carry out division? A divided by b the whole power m is equal to a power m divided by b power m. A power m divided by b power m. Okay, so 6 divided by 5 the whole power 3. How will you do this one? Apply law number 5. A divided by b the whole power m is equal to, give this power to a and to b also. So a power m divided by b power m. 6 power 3 divided by 5 power 3. 6 power 3 divided by 5 power 3. Next. Now a power m divided by b power m is given. Write it in this form. A divided by b or a upon b the whole power m. This way you have to write. So 9 upon 7 the whole power 4. If this is given, a upon b the whole power m is given, write it in this way. A power m divided by b power m. If this is given, a power m divided by b power m is given, write in this way, a upon b the whole power m. So 9 upon 7 the whole power 4. Always remember, here the base should be a non-zero rational number, and we have taken m, and in other sums we have taken n also. M and n are positive integers.